got a 2005 Honda Pilot. Passenger rear window regulator went bad. I don't know if you can see it. I can't tell. It's hard to see, but the cable that goes through the regulator, this cable right here, it like binded up and popped out the side. There goes your motor. To get the screws to remove the door panel, you got 4 screws basically. You got one right here, and 2 little ones right here. And if you look, I'll hold the door up so you can see because I already took it off. But you see where the pink ones are, and the 2 little ones went where the door handle was. I popped that out, disconnected the rod latch. You had a screw down here, and then a screw right in here. You see the pink thing? The screw went right in there. So just those screws alone, and then you just pop the panel out because it's got like little plastic buttons that just pop out. They're not screws or nothing like that. Disconnected the window switch, and now I'm going to use a 10mm to remove these bolts and get the regulator out. Let's see if I can do this all while recording. I zip tied this window up before when it first broke, so it could stay up because the window kept falling down. I'm going to have to stop this one.